The most common used phrasal verbs, Part 6. Advanced level. Get back to. Get back to. Definition: to contact someone later. To respond to someone's message or call at a later time. Example sentences: I'll get back to you by the end of the day. Synonym: respond to. Get round to. Get round to. Definition: to finally do something you've been meaning to do. To find the time to complete a task that has been delayed. Example sentences: I'll get round to fix the leaky faucet this weekend. Synonym: finally do. Give into. Give into. Definition: to yield to pressure or temptation. To relinquish to pressure or a strong desire. Example sentences: she finally gave in to temptation and bought the expensive dress. Synonym: yield to. Go off on. Go off on. Definition: to start talking angrily about something. To launch into a tirade or rant about a topic. Example sentences: my dad went off on me for forgetting to take out the trash. Synonym: rant about. Hang out. Hang out. Definition: to spend time with someone informally. To socialize with someone in a casual setting. Example sentences: I'm going to hang out with my friends tonight. Synonym: socialize. Hear back from. Hear back from. Definition: to receive a response from someone. To be contacted by someone in response to a message or request. Example sentences: I'm still waiting to hear back from the company about my job application. Synonym: receive a response from. Hold on. Hold on. Definition: to wait a short moment. To pause or wait for a brief period. Example sentences: hold on, I'm almost finished with this email. Synonym: wait a moment. Look into. Look into. Definition: to investigate something. To research or examine something in detail. Example sentences: we need to look into the cause of the power outage. Synonym: investigate. pass out, pass out. Definition: to faint, to lose consciousness for a short period. Example sentences: she passed out from the heat exhaustion. Synonym: faint, run into, run into. Definition: to meet someone unexpectedly, to encounter someone by chance. Example sentences: I ran into my old neighbor at the grocery store yesterday. Synonym: encounter unexpectedly, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.